To make an outgoing MFS call, you will always use the Tango Network's Kinetic Communicator application. The green button or native phone application is still used for making personal calls only. So launch the Kinetic Communicator application. You will dial the number you want to call and simply press the call button. Once I press the call button, you will notice a pop-up. That pop-up button will show a number that is not the dial digits that you called, but that is part of the Tango solution working in the background. That is a pilot number used to connect our application into the enterprise. The number will be different for each time you make a call, or it can vary. That is not a concern. That is a normal use of our solution. I'll answer that call. You'll notice that the business identity or the calling line ID is my business number, not my mobile number. This was a MFS-like call, or in this case a Tango call, so it shows my Tango phone number. And that's all there is to it.